Hasselblad 907X Anniversary Edition Kit Review. The Hasselblad 907X Anniversary Edition is a meticulously crafted medium-format camera system that epitomizes excellence in both form and function. Celebrating the legacy of Hasselblad's iconic design, this Anniversary Edition combines the latest technology with timeless aesthetics, delivering unparalleled image quality and versatility. Let's delve into the features that make this camera system stand out. CFV250C Anniversary Edition. This digital back features a large medium-format 50-megapixel CMOS sensor, capable of delivering astonishing image quality with exceptional detail and clarity. It offers up to 14 stops of dynamic range, ensuring optimal exposure in a variety of lighting conditions. 907X Anniversary Edition. The 907X camera body is a masterpiece of engineering, meticulously crafted with precision and attention to detail. It provides a robust platform for the CFV250C digital back, ensuring seamless integration and reliable performance. f3.5 Lens Anniversary Edition. This high-quality lens offers a versatile wide-angle perspective, ideal for landscape, architectural, and environmental photography. Its exceptional optical performance ensures sharpness and clarity across the frame, while the Anniversary Edition design adds a touch of elegance. Control Grip. The control grip enhances handling and ergonomics, providing a comfortable grip for extended shooting sessions. It offers intuitive controls for adjusting settings and capturing images with ease. Optical Viewfinder. The optical viewfinder offers a traditional shooting experience, allowing photographers to compose their shots with precision and accuracy. Its bright and clear optics provide a natural view of the scene, enhancing the shooting process. Video capability. The camera is capable of recording video in 2.7K, 2720 by 1530, and Full HD, 1920x1080 resolutions. Video footage covers the full sensor width in a 16:9 ratio, ensuring exceptional image quality and detail. USB power adapter. The included USB power adapter allows for convenient charging and power supply, ensuring uninterrupted shooting sessions. Pros. Exceptional image quality. With its large medium-format sensor and advanced optics, the Hasselblad 907X Anniversary Edition delivers unparalleled image quality, with rich detail, accurate colors, and impressive dynamic range. Timeless design. Celebrating the legacy of Hasselblad's iconic design, this Anniversary Edition camera exudes elegance and sophistication, making it a collector's item for photography enthusiasts. Versatile lens system. The XCD lens lineup offers a range of focal lengths to suit various shooting scenarios, ensuring photographers have the right tool for every job. Robust build quality. Built to withstand the rigors of professional use, the 907X Anniversary Edition features a robust construction that inspires confidence in any shooting environment. Cons. High price. The premium features and craftsmanship of the Hasselblad 907X Anniversary Edition come at a steep price, making it inaccessible to many photographers. Limited video features. While capable of recording high-quality video, the camera's video capabilities may not match those of dedicated video cameras, limiting its appeal to videographers. Final verdict. The Hasselblad 907X Anniversary Edition is a true testament to the art of photography, combining cutting-edge technology with timeless design. While its premium price tag may deter some, those who value uncompromising quality and craftsmanship will find it to be a worthy investment. Whether capturing stunning landscapes, architectural marvels, or intimate portraits, this camera system excels in every aspect, making it a cherished companion for discerning photographers.